Hey friends, it's Kelly, and welcome to this week's ALDI Finds for the week of May 27th. ALDI really said, let's have the best summer ever on a budget. We're going to start with the apparel, shoes, and accessories section. First up, we have the Crane athleisure dress. It comes in black or navy for $14.99. We have the Crane ladies premium skirt. It comes in black, white, or blue, $9.99. And we have the Crane ladies slip-on trainers. They come in beige or white, $14.99. We have the Crane ladies socks. It comes in a variety of different colors. It is a six-pack, $7.99. We also have the Crane's men's socks, six-pack as well, and they come in several different colors, $7.99. We have the Crane premium long line sports bra. You can get it in white, black, or green for $9.99. We have the men's shorts. It comes in a two-pack, black, dark gray, or navy and gray, $12.99. We have the live-in style quilted mini tote crossbody. It comes in black, blue, or pink, $9.99. And we have these gorgeous live-in style novelty straw totes. You can get the hat holder, and I don't know if you can tell, but the two straps coming down, you can slide your hat right through there. We have the multi-stripe or the beach time, $12.99. We have the Crane Ladies Eva sandal. You can get them in black, brown, gray, or pink, $6.99. And we have the men's Crane Eva sandal as well, and they come in black only for $6.99. And the last item in this section is the Crane Premium Bike shorts. They come in black, navy, or green, $8.99. Now we're heading into the arts and entertainment section. We just have two items here. First up, it's the Bond Bluetooth earbuds. It comes in black, gray, or pink, $14.99. And we have the Bond Bluetooth speaker. It comes in black gray, black pink, or gray blue, $14.99. Now we're heading into the baby, kids, and toys section. We just have one item here. First up, it's the Lily and Dan children's lightweight footbed sandals. You can get them in navy, cream, pink, or purple, $4.99. Now we're heading into the garden and patio section. We do have quite a few items here. First up, it's the 8-inch patio planter. It comes in assorted colors, $9.99. We have the 12 stem roses. They come assorted as well, $6.99. And we have the Balabi 3-tier wooden plant stand for only $16.99. We have the Balabi ceramic garden stakes. You can get bee, mushroom, or snail, $6.99. And we have the Balavi glass sun catcher. You can get bee, bird, or butterfly, $4.99. We had the Balavi hanging bird feeder. You can get round or star for only $14.99. And we have the Balavi metal side table for $12.99. We also had the Balavi teacup planter. You can get it in green or white for $9.99. And for some reason, that green one is just screaming Florida to me. I don't know why. We have the Balavi sling folding chair. It comes in gray or taupe for $19.99. And we have the Balavi garden statue. You can get flamingo, goose, or heron for $12.99. It did not say how tall these are, but I'm guessing they're probably maybe 3 feet, maybe. I'm not quite sure, but I have a feeling they're pretty tall. We also have the Balavi two-pack solar stake lanterns. You can get it in black or bronze for $12.99. We have the Balavi 5-pack solar flame effect stakes, black or bronze, $11.99. And the last item in this section is the Balavi solar address stake. I know a lot of people bought this the last time that they had them out. So they're back again, black or stone, $12.99. I don't think they had the stone before. I think that one's a new one. Now we're heading into the home and decor section. First up, we have the Balavi 24-inch by 36-inch all-seasons doormat. You can get the welcome with the diamond granite, the welcome brown, welcome granite, or welcome half round, $9.99. And we have the Disney 18-inch by 30-inch cocoa mat. You can get home, hello Mickey, Mickey and Minnie, or welcome Mickey, $9.99. We also have the Kirkton House 2-foot by 6-foot reversible indoor-outdoor runner. It comes in several different designs and colors, $7.99. I believe, if memory serves me correctly, they came out with the regular size outdoor rugs in the same patterns last week, I believe, and these rugs are $7.99. And now the last item in this section is the Kirkton House shaped decor pillow. You can get lemon, lime, strawberry, or watermelon for $9.99. And friends, I gotta be honest with you, when I was doing these, I thought they were rugs for like the kitchen. And then when I realized it said pillow, I was kind of taken back. I really thought they were rugs. Now we're heading into the home improvement section. We just have two items here. First up, it's the Ambiano fan with flexible tripod, not tripole, tripod. You can get it in black, blue, or pink, $9.99. The other item we have in this section is the Adventure Ridge bungee cord set. They are a 10 pack for $6.99. Now we're heading into the kitchen supply section, and believe it or not, we just have one item here, and it is the Adventure Ridge 40-ounce thirst crusher tumbler. It comes in several different designs, only $9.99. Now we're heading into the outdoor living, fitness, and sports section, and let me tell you, we got quite a few items here. First up, we have the Live in Style two-piece cooler bag. You can get lemons, seashells, or oranges, $7.99. We have the Crane Pull saddle seat. You can get it in peach, teal, or yellow for $16.99. We have the Crane Swim Goggles Adult. You can get it in black, blue, or gray, $4.99. And we have the Youth Crane Swim Goggles. You can get it in blue, pink, or green, $4.99. We have the Baden Beach Combo Set. You can get pink volleyball and yellow disc or teal volleyball with pink disc, $14.99. We have the Bonsai Aqua Splash Summer Saucer, $4.99. We have the Bonsai Aqua Summer Shots Fish for $4.99 as well. We have the Bonsai Aqua Summer Toys. You can get Dive and Fish, Gummy Bear, or Magical Mermaid for $4.99. And friends, July is pickle month. I have got to get my hands on this pickled dill float. I have got to get my hands on that. We have the Big Mouth inflatable pool noodle. You can get the butter stick, dill pickle, the meat stick, or string cheese. $9.99. I'm sorry. We also have the Crane full face snorkel mask. You can get it in blue black or green blue, $14.99. We have the Crane Pool Lounge. Comes in blue stripes, orange print, or yellow. $9.99. And then we have the matching Crane Pool seat, and that's $9.99 as well. We have the Crane waterproof phone pouch. It comes in four different colors and it's $8.99 a piece. We have the Orca pickleball paddle set. It comes in bloom, checks 2, dash, or flow, $24.99. I know pickleball is huge right now. We have the Adventure Ridge dry bags. It's a 2-pack, $6.99. We have the Venture Ridge inflatable camping pillow for $6.99. And the last item in this section is the Adventure Ridge solar shower. That's a new one for me, $6.99. Now we're heading into the personal care and beauty section. First up, we have the Gillette Mach 3 sensitive razor. It is a 3-pack for $6.99. And we have the Gillette Venus sensitive razor. That is a 3-pack as well for $6.99. We have the Lacura body scrub. You can get coconut, strawberry, or watermelon for $4.59. Has anyone tried these? Because I really would like to try that watermelon one. We also have the Herbal Essence shampoo. We have three different scents to choose from, $6.97. And we have the matching conditioner, $6.97 as well. We have the Crest 3D White Arctic Fresh Twin Pack, $8.97. We have the Crest 3D White Brilliance Vibrant Peppermint, $8.97. We have the Crest 3D White Deep Stain Remover Daily Toothpaste with Dazzlement flavor, $8.97. We have the Crest 3D White Deep Stain Remover Daily Toothpaste Ultra White, $8.97. And the last item in this section is the Crest Oral-B Advantage Whitening Soft 4-pack toothbrushes for only $8.97. Now we're heading into the pet supplies section. We have a few items here. First up, it's the Heart to Tail cat window bed. You can choose from Moon Mist or Oyster Gray for only $14.99. We have the Heart to Tail collapsible pet pool. You can get blue, teal, or watermelon print, $12.99. I bought Benny the blue one last year, but we had not put it up for him yet. I don't know why we didn't, but it is happening this summer. And when I do, I will share it with you all. We have the Heart to Tail Pet Backpack with Lounge. It's black only, 19.99. And we have the Heart to Tail Cat Scratching House. You can get Aldi Store Exterior or Aldi Store Interior, 9.99. I think that's really cute. We have the Heart to Tail Cooling Dog Toy. You can get watermelon, popsicle, or donut, 4.99. And we have the Heart to Tail Cooling Pet Mat. You can get blue sands or multiple purple pebbles for 14.99. And we have the Heart to Tail Dog Harness. You can get black, green, flower, or stripe, 4.99. We have the Heart to Tail Dog Leash. You can get black, white, or green, 4.99. We have the Heart to Tail Pet Travel Bowl. It comes in beige or green for 6.99. And we have the Heart to Tail Indoor Outdoor Cooling Pet Bed. Comes in beige, navy, or navy stripes, 19.99. We have the Heart to Tail Pet Travel Bottle. You can get beige, gray, green, or pink for only 6.99. We also have the Heart to Tail Pet Travel Towel. You can get gray or green, 6.99. We have the Heart to Tail Water Pedal Dog Toy. It comes in white and blue, 12.99. We have the Heart to Tail 8-inch Rawhide Rolls 12-pack for only 5.99. We have the Heart to Tail 8 to 9-inch Pork Retrievers 4-pack, 5.99. We have the Pure Being Beef Freeze-Dried Dog Treat, 5.99. And the last item in this section is a Pure Being Salmon Freeze-Dried Dog Treat, 5.99. Now we're heading into the school, office, and art supply section. We just have one item here, and it is the Pembroke 3-pack chalk roller. It comes in neon or standard colors, only $3.99. And friends, from what I can tell, I think this is kind of like a chalk paint. I don't think it's actual like chalk like the kids usually use to draw with. I think it's some kind of like chalk paint. Now we're heading into the bakery and bread section. First up, we have the Bake Shop muffins. You can get lemon poppy seed or mixed berry, only $3.45. We have the Bake Shop lemon meringue pie for $6.99. And the last item in this section is the specially selected croissant buns. It is a 4-pack for $3.99. Now we're heading into the beverage section. We just have one item here, and it is the Barissimo coffee. You can get mocha marshmallow or toasted graham cracker, $7.99. Now we're heading into the breakfast and cereal section. We just have two items here. First up, it's the Simply Nature Organic Instant Oatmeal. You can get banana strawberry or confetti cake, $2.69. And we have the General Mills Veggie Blends Cheerios. You can get apple strawberry or blueberry banana for $4.95. Now we're heading into the dairy, deli, and refrigerated section. First up, we have the Chobani 15-gram protein tropical punch yogurt drink, $2.32. And we have the Mama Cosie's Pizza Kitchen single serve breakfast deli pizza, $3.89. And the last item in this section is the Grillo's Thickles. You can get dill or hot, $5.99. Now we're heading into the fresh meat and seafood section. First up, we have the pork belly slab for $2.99 per pound. And we have the Tyson chicken wings for $1.89 a pound. And we have the family pack antibiotic-free boneless skinless chicken thighs. It is $8.72 per package, which is estimate. It's about 3.5 pounds per package at $2.49 per pound. And the last item in this section is the fresh, sweet, and smoky Atlantic salmon on a cedar plank for $10.99 per pound. Now we're heading into the frozen foods section. First up is the Mama Cosie's Pizza Kitchen Premium Tavern Pepperoni, only $4.99. We have the specially selected blossoms. You can get cherry or strawberry rhubarb, $3.29. And we have the Oreo ice cream bars for $5.36 for a 5-pack. We have the Bremer basil parmesan chicken meal kit for only $4.99. And we have the Bremer chicken penne primavera, and that is only $4.99 as well. Next, we have the Breakfast Best Western Omelet Meatballs for $6.49. Next up, we have the Breakfast Best Mini Sausage and Pancake Bites for $6.29. We have the Nature's Premium Fruit Pearls, strawberry banana or triple berry, $4.89. And the last item in this section is the stir fry frozen vegetables. You can choose from Asian or Szechuan for $4.29. Now we're heading into the pantry section, and we just have one item here, and it is the Aldi muffin mix. You can get cinnamon mini or strawberry with icing, $3.99. Now we're heading into our very last section, which is the snacks section. First up, we have the Benton's mini filled bites. You can choose from hazelnut or strawberry, $3.99. We have the Ferraro Nutella Be Ready, $4.99. We have the Nabisco S'mores Oreos for $4.97. We have the Welch's Fruit and Yogurt Snacks, $7.53. We have the Clancy's Veggie Straws or Chips, $2.79. And we have the Kind bars. You can choose from dark chocolate raspberry pumpkin seed or strawberry sunflower seed, $7.47. We have the Magic Spoon protein treat bars. You can choose from chocolate peanut butter or marshmallow, $8.49. And we have the Millville cookie granola. You can choose from chocolate chip, double chocolate, or peanut butter, $3.49. And the last item for today, my friends, is the Baker's Treat powdered donuts for $1.99. Disclaimer: this content is not affiliated with or sponsored by Aldi. This video is a recreation of the Aldi Finds ad for informational and entertainment purposes only. Prices, products, and availability may vary by store and region. While I strive for accuracy, errors or changes may occur. Prices and details may vary by location. Information is based on the current Aldi Finds ad. Please refer to the official Finds ad or your local store for confirmation. So friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. And also, don't forget to follow me over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next week with more great Aldi finds. Bye.